Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Diamond Jack, and in today's video personally, okay guys, it's been a while. I've been on this channel with you guys. I've taken a break, but then I'm back and healthy and strong. Okay, so guys, let's talk about my business. All right, let's bring Diamond Jack Cosmetics into the limelight. This product here, we have Diamond Gel Cosmetics, and this product has been here for almost 2018 to 2023. That's almost 5 good years. All right guys, and this natural hair here, I've been keeping it for 6 good years. So I woke up this morning, I've not applied anything inside. As I can see, my hair is dried and it's looking kind of short because nothing is being applied to it. So let's talk about using products in your hair. Generally, you can see so many people when you enter most ladies' bathroom, you see different types of shampoo, different types of conditioner. When you come to the dressing room, that's the dressing mirror side, you will see different kinds of hair cream. They use this one today, they use this one tomorrow. They don't even know which one is working and then which one is damaging their hair. Okay, what I want to tell you today is that keep to one product. Use one product at a time. Okay, if you're using Diamond Gel Cosmetics, use Diamond Gel Cosmetics shampoo, use their conditioner, use their leave-in conditioner, use their hair growth oil, use their hair spray as well. And then when you're using this thing, watch carefully how it's helping your hair, and then while using it, follow the instructions. So many people don't follow instructions on how to use a particular product, because the product A has its own way of mixing. So since they have their own way of mixing, they also have their own way of applying. I also have my own formula, and I have my own way of applying as well. As you can see, if I'm to revive this hair now to give it moisture and all that, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray this hair first, because I'm not starting with washing. The hair is not loose and I don't want to wash, it's not dirty. So first I'm going to spray this hair with the herbal spray. And once I'm done with the herbal spray, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the hair cream to apply on my hair. I'm going to apply it generously, and then after that I'm going to use the hair oil in my scalp. If I want it to stay for a very long time, then I'm going to use my leave-in conditioner to keep the hair moisturized for a long time. So that is how I use my own product. And then coming to combing, you see some people, they will just lose their hair, they will not even detangle. The next thing, they'll carry comb. No, that's not how to do it. When you lose your hair, you detangle, and then after detangling, if you want to comb, don't just start putting comb or brush from like this. No, you have to secure your hair. Do something like this, hold it, then you comb. You start from the tips, small, then you keep going like this. Then by the time you reach here, you put the comb. Then once you release it small and it reaches somewhere, you still hold your hair and then comb it through. That's how you do to avoid breakage. If not, your hair will be growing at the same time, it will still be breaking. And when your hair is growing and breaking, you're not going to see the difference at all, because it's the same thing that's happening to your hair. All right guys, let's stop this video now. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscribe button right there, and then remember to join this family, because I'm going to give you tips about hair products and how to use them. All right, bye, see you in my next video. I love you guys all.